Hey my pretties, welcome back. We are in Hobby Lobby and I stopped right here because a lot of you guys keep asking me about that drying mat right here that was in my video when I showed you guys the kitchen. And so this is where I got it from. They have a few strawberry products or plates and bowls. They even have this right here, which is adorable, and I'm trying to fight myself to not buy it. It is $25, but it is 40% off right now. Super cute. So yeah, we're just here, gonna walk around and see what they have today. They put out this whole display like with bees, which I love. This is $19.99. Be happy. Really cute stuff. Oh, look at that. Sweet as can be. $9.99. I like that. This is nice. Oh, look at that big bee right there. The big old head, little bobblehead. I like that. And this is also 40% off. Oh, this is nice. $9.99. You're the bee's knees. Let's see. This is $7.99. And they are putting out their spring stuff, which is 40% off as well. These plates are beautiful. They have that in green.
Those shouldn't take me more than a minute or two though.
And then you have these right here. They are ceramic. That's why I tap them. Like, is this melamine or ceramic? They're ceramic. I like these little cups for $3. There's green. Some of you were asking about one of these. They have it here. The little white tiered tray. That's $30. Oh, look over here. They have more strawberry stuff. These are cute. I did not see these before. $9.99. They even have bowls. Wouldn't this be cute to just sit up and eat some strawberries out of? That one. Strawberry salt and pepper shakers. These, oh, look at that. Put your little strawberries in there. Or your fruit. More plates. $9.99. Lemon napkin ring holders. And then all their lemon stuff over here. Plates. Those, look at that. These are $5.99. Little donut plates. That lemon plate is pretty. I just skipped right over that. $3.99 with 40% off. Little charger plate. The lemon meringue pie. And you have these up here. And behind me is like all the barbecue stuff. I'm telling you, this store, you could be in here forever and still don't see everything. You walk my world. $5.99. They have some avocado bowls for $10. The smaller one is $5. It's a scrubber. It's a dishcloth. Why did I feel like saying it's a scrubber and it's a dishcloth? Like an infomercial. Yeah, lots of avocado stuff. Now back over here. Hope I'm not making you dizzy. Oh, that's cute. And more plates and watermelon stuff right there. Okay, so I'm gonna be done with this row. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh, hold on. Let me back up. You got the blues. The blue plates. Look at that rolling pin. Table runners. Look at that table runner. Oh my goodness. $30. Okay, you have the plates and the cups. Is this a salt and pepper shaker? I believe so. Yep, it is. Cheetah. Oh my gosh. That it went cheetah crazy. $9.99. Little placemats. $3.99. Oh, what is this? Charger plate. $3.99. Not bad. With 40% off. That's pretty. Another charger plate. And placemats. These placemats are nice. Okay, now I know I've seen some more spring stuff down there on the end over there. But let me go right here first. Placemats. Towels. Cute little cake stands for $4. I like these bowls. These are nice too. For $7.99. Table runner. Lots of pastel colors. Okay, so let me make my way back over around. This chair is on clearance for $139. Let's go back over here. Let's see. Yep, there's spring stuff over there. Oh, look at all them carrots. Oh, okay. This was just stored, like little containers, storage case for $12. So basically storage. So over here they have these squares of grass for $5. If you do have a 99-cent store, they have something remotely close for 99 cents. Lots of baskets, of course. Cake stands for $9.99. That's green, blue, and pink. This ceramic little truck. That would be cute to put some eggs in the back. $17.99. Oh, look at that sign. Silly rabbit, Easter is for Jesus. Okay, it's not about the bunny. It's about the lamb. Whoever made those up. Little checkered bunnies. Lots of cute little bunnies over here. These light up for $7.99. I can't get over that sign. That tickled me. Little bluebirds. That house also comes with the green top or the turquoise one. Jack the Rabbit, $6.99, or you have the girl. Some dolls up there. And then it starts to be candy. Okay, but why do I like this clear chair for $83? It has all this right there, but look at that. That would be a pretty vanity chair. I'm trying to see it. That's nice. It's 30% off. Okay, I was on my way down here. $1.99. $5.99. These up here are $4. Oh, those are nice. You can hang them on the wall. Table runner. The carrots are $2.99. And I like this right here, little placemat for $5. This is $8. This one is $8. I like this one. And then up here you have the salt and pepper shaker with the carrots in the truck. That. And those canisters up there. Here's some pretty pillows right here. And a doormat. Wooden bead hanger for $9. These are nice. This is $10. That's cute. Lots of yard stakes. They even have the blue truck for $8. Oh my goodness, I like this. How much is this? Of course it's wedged behind there.
Annabelle, code 1 to register 3, Annabelle, code with the front.
Okay, I'm scared to pull that out because I think these are gonna fall. Let me try to get this. Okay, so that is $21.99 for that. I really like that. I'm gonna think about that one. You have these for $20. And more carrots. Different styles. $3.99, decorative purposes only. They even have wood. These are $3. Kind of like paper mache. This one is. Those are $8. All these different colors. And then here's a little truck down here that lights up for $4, but you'll get 40% off of that. That's adorable. They even have that in pink. So I was just over there. Now on this side of the store they have a lot of rabbits. This rabbit has glasses, little signs, lots of rabbits right here. Why does this one look denim? It does, right? That's cute. It has that blue denim look to it. $13.99. They have that one or that one. And then, oh, look at him. For $9.99. Oh my gosh. Some more wreaths over here. Little pictures, that pretty garland with the eggs. These carrots. $9.99. That would be really cute to put next to that. They had some more over here. I like that. That's like the mom and the dad. These are nice. $34. What are these? Just Decor, $5.99. I thought it was right done for a minute, but it's just the spring collection. They even have some measuring cups down here. Lots of farmhouse. Look at those cake stands. They look really old and worn out. Look at that. For $30. Bless this kitchen. I like that. And there's even a tray with the little blue truck right there.
To register, no, code 3, register something.
Okay, you guys, I'm falling deeper into the rabbit hole. Literally, because I'm just roaming around the store now, seeing too many things, not knowing which way to go. bird houses, lots of them. Let's see, let's go back this way. Wind chimes, fairy garden. $15.99.
Yes, ma'am, code 3, register 6, 7.
Let's see what pictures they put out. That's a nice little thing right here. A little wall decor for $70. I like the owl. Has his head turned to the side. That one says, so I can kiss you anytime I want. It's like, is that telling me, or is there supposed to be a question mark on the end, or like, what are we saying here? People in sleeping bags are like soft tacos. Oh my gosh, they have some cute signs. Oh gosh. And giant letters. Okay, behind me, happy place. See what other sign we can find.
Please switch to the office, please. Please switch to the office.
I think that's it for over here. Oh, this is kind of cool for $30.
They're going to count the stuff that they're not going to work now. There's 2 of them.
Okay, you guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this up and get out of here because, yeah, I'm to the point to where I don't even know which way to go up in here. This store is too big. Look at all the flamingos. That's an umbrella. Look at that. Standing on his own feet. That is too funny. Got a whole row of flamingos. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll talk to you real soon in my next video. Okay, bye. Look at this Valentine's Day stuff over here. I hadn't seen this when I came. A little heart handle, little plates. Look at the teapot. And that platter. I like these. $9.99. Really cute. A whole lot to love. Latte love.